Good evening or good morning, whatever time it is for you. Hope you're enjoying your Tuesday. Might be Wednesday for you people in the future. Anyway, what I'm going to do is just answer a quick question about audio. It's a really short video. Might be on. I'll just keep it under 5 minutes on this one. So the question was, do you have plans for sound effects and music for motion graphics? Now, yes, I do use sounds in some scenes that I build, and you can get sounds from wherever you want, wherever your resources are. I've got a few from like Elements, where I've got annual subscription, a monthly subscription, which gives me access to like these cool sound effects. If I want like game sounds or whatever, I can get game sounds, whooshes, and all sorts. I'll put a link if you want to link to that. But let's go to it. So what I've already created the scene because hopefully it's easy to explain. So I just got a model of a bell. If we take a look at the bell, we have a button, which is linked to the audio node. So the audio you can drag and drop. You can just drag and drop that audio clip into your scene, into your content window, and it will create the audio node and load the file in, and it will just come in there. Right now, if I hit restart, it triggers the clip, same as the play. Play will play will play from its current position, but restart is always from the beginning of the clip. All I've done is link the restart to the button. So when I press this button here, this mover is just triggering it's just animating this piece here, and you can see here it just says audio to restart. So if we watch that, if you watch the outputs here and the inputs, so every time I click, it triggers the restart. That's one way to make your audios interactive with graphics, is just by bing, little button sound effects. You can just link them direct to your button or to your animation. Now if you want to time an animation, so if I just block that, actually we'll put this to the side, let's push this to the side over here. Okay, nice and small. And the other way is you have a cube. Okay, so we've got this cube animation, and all I've done is, instead of so we have this different impact sound, so all I've done is, if I say nudge, you'll see, and we triggered this audio clip. If you watch the timeline, to add an animation to your timeline, so if we get that audio file, if I disconnect it for this one example, is take the control. So each node has the control, which you can keyframe, and you drag it into your animation. You can set at which point that where you want it to play from, and then you can drag this along the timeline to match it up when that graphic hits the screen. Apologies for the mic if you can hear it. You can also add a stop, so now you can crop that sound. If you just want a little sound of like a little bit of that clip, then you can you can clip that by just changing the stop, which is nice. So if you just want it to, let's see what it sounds like if I hit play. It kind of cuts off, but we want it to carry on a little bit. So so it goes hit play. There you go, and then it kind of goes off. But yeah, it's really straightforward. It's not. Hopefully, this answers questions. Nothing fancy. I didn't create anything fancy, unfortunately. But yeah, you get the idea. Right now, this is what, 3 seconds. I'll set to 3 seconds, and that's 3 seconds. So just matching my mover to my animation on there. And what I can do is just link these two. I'll just link these two buttons. So I'll link this bell to trigger this animation. So you can see you can have multiple things controlled. Nudge and single tap, so that this button's controlling the cube, and the bell has its own sound. And there you go. Hopefully this was helpful. Let me know below if it was. It's really simple. real simple video. Thank you again. Take it easy. Bye bye.